Thank you. When I was starting my crypto journey, I kept wondering how could I learn the ecosystem or exchanges without having to spend my own funds? And today I came to answer that question. And all of us who can be able to stay to the end, we have $1,000 and you will learn how to get that at the end of this. Now, I'll talk about crypto copy trading and I'll be really quick. I know we are a bit hungry at the moment. So what is copy trading? So basically, copy trading came in to transform the way investments are made in cryptocurrencies. So this approach enables new users and existing users and the elite traders to be able to give their own strategies to new traders instead of having to start from a scratch and end up losing your funds. So new investors, it provides them a way to also earn by basically getting commissions from that. Now, by copying skilled traders, new traders can potentially realize the same type of profits that skilled traders can be able to do. Sorry. Right. So a bit of a background. Bitget is the leader in copy trading space, the first cryptocurrency to actually, the first exchange to actually launch a crypto copy trading platform. So for users who are getting started in cryptocurrencies, unfortunately, the interfaces, as mentioned earlier, are not the easiest to get started. However, the user-friendly interface on Bitget would typically help most of the traders get started. Now, in terms of numbers, you're looking at over 190,000 elite traders across the world with over 800,000 copy traders and more than 90 million successful trades over time. Now, let's take a look at elite traders, and especially if you're here and you're a founder or you provide services like exchange services, or you're just a new user in crypto, or you are a seasoned trader in crypto, this is for you. Now, elite traders are basically the backbone of crypto copy trading. So they are the top performing selected traders based off their P&L, based off a couple of items I'll talk about shortly. The key benefits for followers is the fact that you can be able to get started on your crypto journey without having to think about all the risks associated with that. Not to say that there are no risks. However, there are lesser risks, especially when you're dealing with a seasoned trader. Of course, the performance metrics also are very important. Again, with an exchange that ranks top in terms of these, in terms of crypto copy trading, you'd be happy to know your, the elite traders would typically help you in your trading journey. Now, elite traders can be selected through a couple of filters, starting through with copier performance. So this metric basically measures your as an elite trader, the number of copiers who followed you and how have they performed in terms of their returns. So this helps new traders and helps other elite traders to be able to know who to copy based off these metrics. Then there's ROI and trader profit. So these would typically give you the return on investment for past trades, as well as the total amount, the absolute numbers in terms of the profits that the copy traders would typically, the copy traders would have typically made. So again, these being past performance, historical data may be able to help you to make such decisions. So there's also assets under management, where we measure how much assets do you control as an elite trader, and these can help a copy trader rather to be able to make such decisions. There's also win rate and maximum drawdown. So win rate basically checks how many of the trades have been the elite trader made, and how many of them, in terms of percentage, have they won. Rather not won, but completed in a profit. And the maximum drawdown would typically measure the maximum loss that an elite trader has ever made in the market. All these are accumulated in what we call a trader score, and these would typically help new traders and anyone beginning their crypto journey, or even service providers who provide such copy trading services, to plug in and be able to provide this information to the other traders. Now, on copy trading, there is what we call USDT margined products, and these are futures products, as well as both copy trading and spot copy trading. Let's quickly go through the futures copy trading. And again, as it sounds, this is where you mirror the trades of elite traders on the futures markets automatically. So this means that users can actually follow both long and short trades. When I say short and long, I mean long meaning that it's bullish, and short being bearish. The beauty about futures is the fact that you can trade the markets at any point. It doesn't have to be moving in one direction, so it can be at any one point. So the key benefits for the traders as well as the elite traders is the ease of setting parameters. So as a copy trader, I may not want to be exposed to too much risk. So again, as I mentioned on the futures trades, elite traders can say, I want to open this trade at maybe 5 times leverage, 5 times the amount of money I have. Now, for copy trader, they can be able to limit their leverage on any trade they are following, which makes it helps in risk management, for the copy trader. There's also the protection tools that which are offered, starting with the fact that the funds never leave your wallet. You're just copying a strategy, and it just replicates what's being done by someone else. So your funds remain in your wallet. So the other key advantages here is the access to expertise. The fact that you're just accessing a pool of highly experienced traders goes a long way to get started on your journey. There's also the time efficiency. Instead of us always following trades, or rather being on the screens, monitoring the markets, doing copy trading, rather, wherever the strategies are being executed, whenever the other traders, for instance, close the trades, your trades also close. So that's the key advantage as well. Now, there's the fact that you can also, it serves as an educational opportunity for new traders. So you just start off with a very small amount, and you just copy just review how the traders are trading, and be able to see, rather learn their strategies. Now, there's spot copy trading, but again, spot trading being the fact that you can use your own assets. So this allows you to exchange your cryptocurrencies from one crypto to another. And the fact that there's no leverage here means that there's little and less chance of you having to be liquidated as there is on futures trading. Now, for key advantages on the spot copy trading, being that you execute the trades instantly. So you get to own whatever you're buying or selling instantly. So with it, each trade is immediately executed as the moment the copier makes the trade from the elite trader. So there's also no leverage used. So unlike futures trading, so spot copy trading doesn't require borrowing, which again reduces your exposure to risk and makes it very suitable choice for beginners, and also to avoid the complexities of leverage trading. There's also a wider selection of assets. At Bitget, we have more than 900 trading pairs listed, as opposed to futures where there's about 500 pairs listed. There's also the flexibility in terms of your investment, being that you can configure your own risk settings to ensure you don't expose yourself to too much risk. Now let's go to what we call the bot copy trading. So what this does is it gives you tools which have already been looking at markets. So they understand things like market depth, things like historical price movements of markets. And these bots are some of which are actually AI powered, and they'll typically analyze the markets, the trends, and be able to figure out what's the best trades to be taken. So on this one, you do not need to even have a specific trader that you want to copy from. So they automate your strategies, being that you can execute the trades automatically. You can even leave your screen. These bots work 24/7, so they never stop. And the fact that there's consistent strategy execution, which removes one of the items that traders suffer a lot, and that being the emotional connection to the markets. So bots can be able to make logical decisions instead of how human beings we sometimes are influenced and may make some of the decisions which are emotional. There's also customizable parameters. A couple of parameters you can customize. Also, a couple of bots you could use. Some of them, for instance, the dollar cost averaging strategy, which basically buys small amounts of cryptocurrency over a longer period of time. And the beauty of this is the fact that the bots can make decisions on when to buy more, when to buy less, said simply because they can analyze the markets, historical data, and be able to make future decisions. Now, with Bitget, you also get the largest crypto copy trading exchange with over 45 million users across the world and a $10 billion daily trading volume. So you're assured that you're always having enough liquidity on that. Over 800 coins listed, and with more than $400 million in protection fund, which basically ensures you, should anything happen, being a centralized exchange. Again, the ecosystem is quite wide, from including the savings products, which have also come to realize a lot of us may not have this understanding that cryptocurrency exchanges can also offer savings products, which, for instance, if I say 7% APR on stable coins, this goes down, is divided down to the hour, and you can compound your funds down to the hour. We've talked about in terms of the Web3 ecosystem, you also have wallets, Bitget wallets. Those of us who don't like keeping your funds on the exchange, you can use external exchanges. Now, before we wrap up, tonight we have a meet and greet. Should you want to join us, we can be able to just scan the code and get a ticket, or pass by our booth and we'll be able to issue you a ticket. That said, thank you all. As I mentioned, for the $1,000, we have, okay, I'll put it there. For the $1,000, we have basically simple tasks, starting from a simple deposit. We'll give you up to $500 in trading bonuses, to which you can use them to simply try out the platform without risking your own funds. Spot trading, you can also get up to $1,000, to which you can again use the platform to the funds to try out the platform. And these are, so whatever profits you make, you keep them. Then the code, once it's expired, now we'll take back the code. That's about it. I hope it's been very helpful to you. And for the developers in the house, you can plug into Bitget and copy all these ecosystem features, including copy trading, easily, and offer them to your audience. That's about it. Thank you so much for being such a good audience. Bye-bye.